There's a number of ways that gravel can really help you around your garden and landscaping, but Tricia, I've never seen this one before.
Well, this is a great tip for you. Aside from the ways that homeowners generally use it as gravel paths and sometimes in the bottom of pots, it's a great idea for drainage.
I've seen that.
But this is an idea to increase humidity for plants.
Okay, exactly how is this working now? Now these are fairly small gravel and what, just an old baking tin?
Yeah, just an old baking tin, and we use a small scale gravel. And what I'm going to ask you to do is pour some water in here.
Okay.
Now you want to, while you're pouring, you want to just go to the top of the pan. That looks pretty good. And then what we're going to do is put these little seedlings that are potted sitting on top of the gravel.
So you just set them on top. I thought you would kind of be positioning them down in the water.
No, we want to put them on top because we don't want their little roots to be in the water because that can lead to root rot.
Okay.
And so then what you want to do is place this in an area that's not too warm. A shady area would probably be good that gets a little bit of filtered sunlight. And as the water evaporates, you're simply going to add some water.
Okay, well this is great. So this could be done inside or out then.
It could be done inside or outside. I think some people like to do it in windowsills. It's a great idea for that.